My name is Ismail Ahmad. I am the Science and Robotics Coordinator from West Skaginish. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a wind-powered car. So, first of all, the materials. You need a pair of scissors, some tape and some glue. I'm using a glue gun, but you can use ordinary glue. A cardboard box, 3 pencils or long wooden rods like a bamboo skewer, for example, 2 straws, 4 plastic cups or plastic bottle, depending on what you have available, and a piece of paper with a nice little drawing on it. First, cut your box. So I have a pizza box here. You can use a cereal box or something similar. Cut your box about 10 centimeters wide. It can be any length. Important thing to remember is that it should be no wider than your straw when you cut your straw. So you're supposed to cut your straw first so that it can fit over your pencil and leave a little bit hanging over it. Your cardboard should be no wider than the straw. That's one important thing to remember. Next, you're gonna make the mast of your car. So you do this by taking one pencil and sticking it in the middle of your cardboard body, like this. So there's a little bit hanging out at the end. Glue it on so that it doesn't move about. We'll do it on the top and the bottom. Just leave it there for now. Next, we will cut our piece of paper. We'll cut the nice little drawing off. So we want the drawing to be able to fit the mast. Right size and shape, it'll catch the wind easily. I've drawn a British flag because I'm British, but you can draw a Canadian flag or a cat if you want. So here we go. There's our drawing. It's gonna fit there. Then we'll glue this on. So be careful using a hot glue gun. Next we'll work on our wheels and our axles. If you remember, I was saying that we're supposed to cut our straw so that it can fit our pencil, parts of the pencil hanging out. So, yeah, like that. And then our cardboard box is supposed to be no wider than the straw. The pencil can spin around. The straw will stay where it is and it will be stuck to the cardboard box, and the pencil will spin around with the wheels attached. We're going to make our wheels out of these plastic cups. I'm going to cut cups. We're going to cut the bottoms of these cups off. You could also use plastic bottles. I'm using cups because cups are a bit sturdier, I think, and they're easier to cut. There we go. That's one wheel out the way. We'll quickly cut the other wheels. Quickly made 4 wheels. So now I'm going to put the axle together. You're going to take one of your pencils and you're going to stick it through the center of your wheel like that, and leave a bit hanging on, and you're going to stick your straw through it, and then you'll stick the next wheel on. Always give it a bit of a test run so that you can see if the wheel moves freely, and it seems good. It's a good idea to glue your wheel to the pencil. Don't glue it to the straw, okay? Keep the wheel free of the straw. Try and do both sides if you have enough room. It might be a bit difficult for this one, so I'm just going to do the front. And now for the final part, we're going to attach the axle to your car's body, like this. This is probably going to be one of the trickiest parts of building your car. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your cardboard body next to the straw, and using either tape or, in my case, the glue, you're going to stick the cardboard to the straw. And once the glue has dried, you're all set to race your car. Remember, no hands, just your breath.